Over the next 10 days, I'm doing a simple one tip a day video. Check back tomorrow for another. Right, what are we on now? Day, actually, I don't know what order I'm going to release these in, so this is day N of 10. Let's get to it. I don't know what or why or how or who decided that supports in Prusa Slicer should have these things at the base. But they are annoying with a capital annoying. Especially if your bed is textured, but honestly, even on a glass bed, they don't come off voluntarily, especially if you have to stop it on layer 1. You can add a raft underneath, which is one way of solving this, but it wastes a lot of material. But this is sort of essential on textured beds though, especially if your textured bed is fairly new and it still grips really well like mine. This fine support stuff is incredibly stubborn. But since most of you use glass, it's far easier when using glass to just put a brim on the model, like so. You don't need to use it as a brim, but what it does is it keeps the support material in one piece so that when you remove the brim, all the support material will come with it. Now I realise that was a quick tip, so here's another one. If you do get this kind of stuff stuck on your textured bed, then don't go at it with a spatula or whatever you call these things. I call it the bed, well, I've labelled it. Just heat the bed to 70 degrees C, and be careful of your hands because 70 degrees C is hot. It tends to be more annoying than burning, but just be careful anyway. And then carefully pick at the edge with a sharp blade or something. And then once you've released a bit, you should be able to pull the whole thing up carefully, and it's a bit like picking off chewing gum, which is kind of gross. But anyway, there you go. That's a 2 for 1, so you can't complain now. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.